Hey everybody, it's Redneck Renegade. Happy Fatwood Friday, everybody. Could have a little burn here. Use some of this nice Doug fir I found last weekend. Using my Jeff White Camp King. Nice golden goodness. And we're going to use a new ferro rod today. I placed an order from Mad Dog Survival, Andy over there in the UK, and it came in Monday, and I've been saving it for today. And when I placed the order, him and his wife were nice enough, they said they were going to throw in some extra stuff here, in which it did. Awesome. We got some Mad Dog fire wicks. I'll have to give those a try. I've seen Andy use those on his channel. Really good stuff. But I'm super stoked about this ferro rod and striker because the striker is ceramic, and I haven't used one. And look at the top-notch quality on this. And you can find this stuff on eBay. He gets some really good stuff that he makes himself. Super high quality. You got a generous amount of lanyard there, or paracord. Nice 1/2 inch by 6 inch ferro rod. And the ceramic striker. I've never tried one, and I'm super stoked to try one. So let's get some of the coating off here. Oh yeah, let's try this bad boy out. Yeah, perfect. Awesome, Andy. I really like the handles. You said they were really resinous pine. Super nice. Very good quality. I can tell that you take pride in your work. And that striker really works good. I think I'm gonna have to get a couple more of those. We got ourselves a fire. Good stuff. And I think I'll try the oh, he sent me one of his channel stickers too. That was awesome. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it very much. And I will leave a link to Andy at Mad Dog Survival. I will leave a link to his YouTube channel, and I'll try to leave a link to his eBay shop too. Makes really good quality items. I think I'll try one of these out here. One of the fire wicks. Well, you can get a lot of fires out of these. There's quite a few of them in there. What is there? There's 5 of them in there. And don't take much to get a fire going. Fluff up that cotton a little bit. Let's see if that does the trick. Well, I'm really impressed with this ceramic striker. I need to fluff it up just a little bit more. I've seen Mad Dog use them on his channel, and he lit them with the first strike. He did a little bit better prep than I did, I think. I know they work like a champ. Wes, handle's really comfortable. I'm really impressed with that ceramic striker. There we go. Just had to fluff it up properly. Outstanding, Andy. Good stuff, buddy. Whew. And those little fire wicks will burn for a long time. Man, I really like this, bud. That's awesome. Well, I'd like to thank you all for stopping in and taking the time to check out our Fatwood Friday here. The kids are in the house today. Adia's got her little brother over, so she's entertaining. But you all take care, and you have a great Memorial weekend, and thank you very much.